Hey guys, here's a tutorial on how to do this text art on Ibis-paint X. Start off by choosing the text tool and choosing the color you want, and then typing the name of the art you'd like to do. Then you're going to click font, and you're going to choose any font you'd like to use. I'm choosing the Times New Roman, and then you can adjust the size and also the color. So I'm going to do a black color, and then the font size I'm just going to increase to a point where I like how it looks on the page. And you can change like the background, the spacing in between each letter. And once you're happy with that, you can go to the layer and duplicate it by clicking on the square with the plus and clicking duplicate layer. So now you have 2 layers. Now choose one of those layers, and now we're going to decorate it with some of our favorite colors. So on the bottom right where it shows the little square with the 5, that's where we're going to create a new layer. So click the plus and you get a blank layer. On that blank layer, we're going to go to brush and choose the brush called Clouds Real. So it's this kind of puffy texture brush. And then you're going to choose your favorite color and you're going to color over the letters and the text you added. So I'm going to color with the red and pink over the letters for Sarah. To change the size of your brush, on the bottom where it shows the plus and minus and the white slider on the line, that's where you're going to change the thickness of your brush by increasing it and decreasing it. For that, it's the one on the left. The one on the right is for the opaqueness of the brush. So here I'm choosing different colors and coloring over the text. So I'm doing a gradient kind of pattern with red on the bottom, then pink, then orange, and then a light yellow / peachy color at the top. So now you're going to go to the clipping where it's next to the alpha lock and the down arrow, and you're going to click that for the layer with the colors, and you're going to bring that on top of both of your text layers. Now you're going to move the text by clicking the third layer, the third text layer that does not have a clipping, and you're going to click on the top left where it says transform. That gives you the ability to turn and move your text, so it gives like a shadow effect on the art. So you can move it to the right or left to give it a shadow, and once you're happy with it, you can click the green check mark you see on the right side, and then you'll be given 2 options, and you're going to click the bottom one, which says rasterize and transform. This is the finished product for the text art. So guys, I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you guys enjoyed it, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!